Welcome back to Morgborg Tech. This is Walmart Bargains, Episode 5, unboxing a $25 Moto G Pure. Now, I will just say this right out the gate. I promise you that I will have more interesting content coming up soon, but I am trying to get through some devices that I've been sitting on for a while. I bought this one around the same time roughly as the previous Moto G Pure that I unboxed for Metro by T-Mobile. This is 25 bucks because I bought both of those phones during a time when the Moto G Pure was being phased out and replaced by the 2023 Moto G Play. So this is an older device. I want to say it was released back in 2021, towards the end of 2021. And yeah, let's just go ahead and take a look at it here. We get the older Simple Mobile Track Phone Total by Verizon packaging. Just fill in whatever track phone brand. This is the older package design with the flap. And we get the phone right here, a preview of it, and some basic specs. Now, this isn't old enough to where this was still a T-Mobile device. This phone uses Verizon. Plan information. Pause that if you feel like it. The actual phone, 6.5-inch HD plus max vision display. That is a 720p panel, taller than usual though. 13 megapixel rear camera with a 2 megapixel additional lens. 5 megapixel front camera right there. 2 days battery life. That's got to be standby time. Water repellent design. Pretty cool. Fingerprint sensor. 32 gigs of internal storage, and a 2.3 gigahertz octa-core processor. And this was purchased at Walmart, if you're curious. So yeah, just standard packaging. And let's open this thing up now. Feels just like the Moto G Pure I unboxed previously with the textured design. Almost has kind of indentation like a fingerprint. It looks kind of like a fingerprint to me, at least. I don't know if you would say the same. Fingerprint magnet, just like the other G Pure. This is no different from the other Moto G Pure I unboxed. All of the differences between this phone and the Metro Moto G Pure are going to be software differences. Otherwise, they are the exact same phone. Set this to the side. Quick start guide. Terms and conditions of service. Effective 3/21/22. So this is an older phone. This is more evidence of that. And your 911 warning. We get a dedicated charging brick. Motorola has been good about this. Kudos. With a USB-A connector, which is more evidence yet again to show that this is an older phone. This still should be USB Type-C though. And indeed it is. And a SIM ejector. Shouldn't need that. The SIM card is pre-installed. Here's the activation pamphlet. "611-611. And this looks like the about your phone So just more information about the phone. So let's take a look at the Moto G Pure now. Screen protector here. Looks like I peeled off the camera protector. Our camera. This looks like the earpiece. Speakers down here. Microphone and our USB-C. Power button and the volume rocker. A headphone jack, another microphone, and the SIM tray right here. On the back is our camera setup with, I'm not sure right off which one's the main lens, but we have a main lens and a macro lens and a flash. AI dual camera, so this has some AI features, and the fingerprint sensor, which also acts as the Motorola logo with our classic dimple design. So let's peel off this screen protector here. Still just as fresh as if I'd bought this phone back in 21. And let's give this phone some power. Still has some perfect. And you'll get to see the animation.
Hello, Moto.
So there we have it, nice and quick. I will go ahead and set this phone up off camera and return when I'm done. Alright, so setup is now complete, and let's proceed. Looks like some extra apps are being installed that I will uninstall later. Let's take a look and see how much storage we have. And it looks like out of 32 gigabytes, about 10 are used out of the box, which is a sizable chunk, but not a big amount. As you can see here, we are running Android 11 with security patch for March 1st, 2022. So this software is rather old at this point. Here's the Easter egg. Pretty nifty. Just a little fun thing there. And yeah, that's the Moto G Pure from Simple Mobile. So that's Walmart Bargains Episode 5, the unboxing of the $25 Simple Mobile Moto G Pure from Walmart. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.